At the end of this tutorial, you will be able to understand update method or update statement. Update means how do we alter or update the existing data or rows in a table. Common example where we update the data is changing the password by a user or changing the username, right? So syntax basically is we have update statement, right? Update. Then we have table name, this table name. Then we have to set the column which we have to update with the new value, right? And where do we have to set this? We have to define the where clause, right? Where the column name is old value, right? This is the syntax of update statement. I'll tell you one thing, that if you are using this where is optional, right? I'll tell you how and what will be the impact of this where if we don't use it. So let me comment it. This is the syntax, right? So we have the progamy database. Let me use this first, right? Now let's see what is the data present in our only table present in progamy, that is employee table. Select stream from employee, and if I execute it, you will see this data. So here if you see, we have somewhere written as small caps employed, somewhere it is written as capital employed, and somewhere it is written as employee. So we should make it consistent, right? Now let's see where all it is written as employed. We should be able to update it, right? Employee where current status is equals to employed. As I told you earlier, SQL is case insensitive, so it will give you small caps and capital caps both here, right? Now I want to update it to employee, right? So we will be using our update statement. Update, we have to use the table name which is employee, right? We have to set the column which we have to update, right? So we have to update current status column, right? So the new value should be employee, and where it should be where we have small where we have employed written, right? So again the column which we have to update is current status is employed, right? Let's see what will happen here. It is executed. Now let's see if it works. You will be able to see that we don't have employed anywhere now. If I execute it, if I make it employee here and try to execute, you will be able to see that we have everywhere written as employee, right? So this is how your update statement works. Now let's do another example here. We have to update the age of an employee, let's say. So what we will do, we will again use update statement. Update, uh, employee table, set age is equals to, let's say, new age is 24, where age is equals to 23. So it will find wherever the age is 23, it will update that to 24. So we have two ages as 23. Let us show this. Select a streak from employee where age is equals to 4. It will show us all the records which have age as, so we don't have, okay, typo I have made, and here I will have to make 23. So we have two employees here. Let's execute now update. It should be updating to 24, right? Now let us see if we have 23 still exist. No. But if I make it 24 over here, we will be finding same two employees with 24 years of age, right? Now, let me execute everything over here. Uh, we have all these employees here, right? And you will see middle name is always null, right? We haven't passed middle name yet. So what I want to do is, I want to set middle name as maybe something, update employee table with set statement, middle name is equals to, let's say, ABC. We don't know, but we have defined it as ABC, and we are not setting any where clause. Where clause, what does where clause do? Where clause basically filters out some records based on that particular condition. So we are not filtering it out, we are just simply updating it without where, right? Let us update it and let's see what all the record says now. Now you will see every single value for middle name is updated to ABC, right? So it has not checked what condition we have passed, because we haven't passed any condition, and it has set every value to ABC for middle name, right? So this is how where condition update function update works without where and with where condition. So, and this is how we used to update the existing data. But you should be careful while updating any entry or record, because if you have updated anything wrong, then you have to revert back to your original value, and you will be having trouble in that.